Hello everyone, today we're at the warehouse and we've just hit a fresh case. Look, Bmw M2. Just go for a hunt now. And these seats. Oh, it's the new Magnus Walker. My brother Tim's just coming. He's coming for a hunt. New case BMW M2. Any new cases up there?
Look at that.
No new cases. Mustang. Porsche. Oh look, there's the King Mustang.
Oh look, Nomad.
Yeah. Whoa, fresh cases. Man, I love fresh cases. Who doesn't? Yeah, look. Here we go. Got the new Pontiac. Oh, Tim, see my Camaro there. Why did I say Mustang? Oh yeah. So many Mustangs in this main line. But I'm a Camaro fan, so look at that thing. Yeah. Look at this, Tim. Two more Skylines R33s. Right here. Okay. Keep having a hunt. Where did that case come from?
Are those Hot Wheels racing rally setups?
It's probably behind there. I'll ask around after we have a hunt. Alright, what we've found is two SEMA 18 Camaro SS's. We've got lots of the Skyline R33s. We've found this, which might indicate G case, possibly. There's the pawn right there from Checkmate. Got some other C, F and E case cars, and look, this Beamer. The Beamer got this pawn there, and Carbonator, Velociter, and lots of other cars from the Checkmate series. And this too. And look, the new TV series Batmobile and the green Land Rover double cab. A lot of these we haven't seen in New Zealand yet, so it's pretty awesome. We've just got a trolley out as usual, and we're finding all of these new cars, trying not to miss anything. So look, there's the new yellow Submarine. It's bent from the case. You can see there.
Oh my gosh, look at that era.
Oh my gosh.
It's my era.
Wait, Boost found card hangers in a blister just like a week ago. It's not very detailed. Oh, this fell off again. Oh yeah, we've also found two Bmw Hondas and a Pursuit Dodge Charger Drift. I've actually got the old version of this. Yep. Cases, yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Could we get all of those boxes down? Those types?
Yeah, oh, two.
Thanks. Just those two things.
That's yours, one?
Yeah, we'll look through. Yeah. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, Tim, that's a G case.
It's mine. It's my G case.
This one.
Oh.
Okay, this one's a B case, I think.
Black Mercedes AMG GT. Got India 500. Nomad.
So, is that all that's up there?
Yeah,
alright.
The only two boxes we had.
Alright, thanks.
When you're done with them, do you just want to empty it into the box there?
Yeah, sure.
The empty ones in the ground after.
Awesome.
Okay.
Fill the dump bin.
Okay, so nothing.
Rainbow. Oh, look, there's the. If you want an Indy 500, you can have it.
Wait.
This is just a B case. There's no super in it.
It's my super, okay? No matter what. Oh, nice. There's a charger there. Got some
That's cool. Porsches. Yep. Tim, there.
I've already got that.
Get that out.
I'm pretty sure.
Get it out. It might be a. Nah.
Super.
Is that a Super? I think it might be.
No, it's the King that's a Super. That's the
Right.
that's
Yeah.
the
King Cuda.
King Cuda's the Super.
There we go.
Come out in the case, yeah.
Two of those. Oopsie.
Got the Challenger. I want one of those.
Look at those.
Hey.
Look at all these, man. I'm not, as you would say, scalping them. I'm just getting out lots of the ones I want and then sorting them out. I'll leave tons for collectors.
Yeah. So don't worry, collectors.
And we'll clean
We're
everything
fine.
up. We've been asked to put them in the dump bin after we're done. So you always got to leave everything as you found it.
I've never seen this Motosaurus before.
Yeah, leave everything as you found it or better.
Ouch. Scanning.
Gosh, there are so many Skylines. Like there's 1, 2.
Wait, I'm scanning. Thank you very much.
How many cases must they have put in there?
4-ish, looks like. Yeah, Skyline.
Yeah, they have they had a Matchbox L case up there. I was gonna ask him for it, but yeah.
If you can't look at this and not go, oh, so soft as well.
Okay, let's count all my Skylines that I found. And this isn't even including all of the ones I found in the case. So, that's 6 Skylines.
If you try to squeeze his eyeballs out, he gets angry.
Holy moly, that is creepy, man. So this is... Shush. So this is an error. I might be getting that. I won't be getting all the Skylines. I've already got one, but, you know, I've got the white, I think, was the last colour of that. I'll be definitely getting at least 2 of the new Camaros, because those are crazy awesome. Just like every other Chevrolet that Hot Wheels has made, because they've got some sort of deal going on. I really do think that. I love these new BMWs. So we're getting on. Don't need a new AMG GT. Do not need another one of those. Don't really need that. I can get it some other day. Awesome case unboxing as well. So I'll sort these out and then get back to you. Alright. So this is the dump bin with all of the cases we emptied into it. There's a lot of cars that most collectors will be going like, why aren't you getting all these awesome things? Like there's, well, I'm getting all of these awesome things, but look, like all of this. Well, I don't collect for other people, you know, I just collect for my own pleasure, collect what I like. I like the Beamer, so I get it. I like collecting UOs, so I'll get it. But, you know, some of them can wait for another day, or it's just, you know, not really worth collecting at the moment. So, look at all this. That's a full dump bin if I've ever seen one. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Skylines on that peg right there.
Yes.
Look at this Nomad. It's pretty good. For some reason I like classic cars quite a bit. We found this. It's where the top tempo's really scuffed up, but not today. I found lots of errors in these cases. The first is this Indy 500 oval with the slight tempo misplacement on the spoiler. The second is where it's got 2 peg hangers just in the blister, and then the third one is the 15 Mercedes AMG GT with a really bad looking headlight tempo right there. So 3 errors. I'm not going to get these 2 because they're just slight tempo errors and they're not too rare. I just get this one because it's interesting and I collect errors. So okay, I'm back, and I did end up bringing back the B case. Or it might have been, yeah, it was a B case. After I emptied it into the dump bin, I just got the empty case and the divider for it. because I needed some extra storage for my Hot Wheels. So I ended up getting 8 cars, and they're in this case. So let's have a look. I'm really happy to have brought home these cars so early, because New Zealand usually doesn't get cases like this for quite a while, like these case codes. So it's good to see them this early. So as you saw, we unboxed 2 cases and I got a select few cars from them. The rest I'll get at a different date. Here we have the 2016 BMW M2. It's blue, the classic BMW blue, right there. And it looks a bit more aqua in person, but it's got just so awesome tempos on there. So I got one of those. And I thought it was so awesome that I got another one. There. Ooh, it's so far away. Oh. Alright. And then I got the special 50th anniversary of Camaro and Hot Wheels, I guess. 18 Camaro SS. I like this because it's got the Hot Wheels logo and it says 50th there with the Hot Wheels 50th font for that logo. Nice. Nice stripes going all the way around the back, but then nothing on the rear of the car. It's got some nice looking wheels, but I'd like to see this model come back in a couple of other colours and with different wheel types. So that there. And then I got another one, because it's such a cool car. I might be sending some of these off to some of my other friends, so yeah, just see how that goes. Then I got another Nissan Skyline Gtr R33. I've already got one of these, but I wanted to send this to someone. And then I got a Nissan Fairlady Z. I've got one of the 2017 Q case, one of these, and then 2 of the Supers, one of which has an error. I did a video on that a while back. I got this one. I don't really want this car, but I got it because it's in this latest G case, or it might have been from the C. But I just got it so I could send it to someone. I got a lot of cars for my friends this time. Then I got this classic 55 Nomad, which I've been wanting for a while. Quite a while since I've seen other YouTubers unbox this case. So, I'm running out of camera room here. So you can see the edge of the card, so you know it's there. And then, a more interesting piece in this haul, in the last piece, a Volkswagen Käfer Racer, as you saw, and it has 2 plastic hanger protectors in there, and also a little bit of paint shrapnel. So that was very interesting to find. So there we go, I'll just put that there. I saw Boost, another YouTuber, he's in Australia. He found a car a couple of his hunts ago with 2 plastic hangers in it. So this must be a common error for the 2018 Hot Wheels. But yeah, just let me know. Have you found some cars like this? Is it a common error? I just got it because I collect errors. I don't sell them or buy them. If I find one on the pegs, I usually will get it unless it's minor or I don't have money at the time. Okay, so that's my haul and that's the hunt video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be doing hopefully a live stream of opening all of my Hot Wheels car culture and just hanging out with all of you guys for the first time live. Either later today, sometime in the weekend, or in the next couple of days. So look out for my live stream when I do it. I'll be streaming for an hour or so. So there's plenty of time for people to watch it. Yep, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.